Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, August 29th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we start off the new week, the last couple of days of August, by the way, and start of September on Thursday, with some foggy conditions really expanding throughout the region. We have temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid-70s along the coast, with fog reducing visibility below a mile in several locations. This fog will gradually burn off by around 10 a.m., but between now and 10 a.m., be cautious, be wary, because visibility will be able to fall below a mile in some of this locally dense fog. It's expanding. It was focused over southern New Jersey, starting to expand into central New Jersey and push into the Delaware River Valley. Taking a look at our latest radar and surface map. You see high pressure over the region right now, producing light and variable winds. Here is our warm front that is going to be approaching today, and it's going to lead to a southeasterly wind and an increase in cloud cover, possibly an isolated shower here and there. But the majority of the rainfall for this week is going to be coming through with this cold front here. It's going to be moving through tomorrow afternoon and evening with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. It looks like the best potential for severe thunderstorms will be over eastern Pennsylvania for tomorrow evening, but even with that, they're going to be weakening as they approach the region. Taking a look at our latest visible satellite picture, you can see with the sun not rising yet, you can still see a lot of low clouds here. But the great thing about this satellite picture is that you can start to see the low clouds and the fog very nicely. And you can see it's expanding over southern New Jersey, pushing to central New Jersey. Basically setting up to the north and west of the I-95 corridor as well. So it's going to be one of those mornings with a lot of low clouds and fog, but this will all start to give way as we move past 10 a.m. this morning with a little bit of mixing in the atmosphere. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see a cold front back here. This cold front will be moving through tomorrow afternoon and evening as discussed. Notice there isn't a lot in terms of strong lifting, and we know that because there isn't a lot of cold cloud tops here. Notice they're all focused towards the Canadian border, and it looks like that's going to continue to be a theme as we move on through tomorrow. And that's really important because what that basically tells us is that the best lifting and dynamics are going to be focused towards basically New England and the St. Lawrence River Valley, which is going to keep the worst of the strong severe thunderstorms away from our neck of the woods. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, areas of fog this morning giving way to scattered cloud cover and a few isolated showers. Look for temperatures to rise into the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. With the amount of humidity in the atmosphere, you will be dealing with a heat index, especially in the Delaware River Valley, in the mid to upper 90s. So just be prepared for that. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for another threat for some areas of fog, some low clouds, a little bit drizzle. Low temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, the cold front will approach with isolated showers. Look for scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening hours. Temperatures will rise into the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, the cold front will clear the region with a few lingering showers in the morning hours, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon and evening. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, and mid-80s in the Delaware River Valley and along the coast. On Thursday, a crisp, cool, comfortable polar air mass will invade just in time for September 1st, the start of meteorological fall. And that's going to lead to low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior and lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 60s to mid 70s over the northern interior and mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast. In the Delaware River Valley, look for lower to mid 80s. On Friday, that cool, comfortable polar air mass with high pressure right overhead will produce tranquil conditions with light winds. Low temperatures will range from the upper 40s to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid 70s over the northern interior, mid 70s along the immediate coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, a weak trough will approach the region, possibly producing an isolated shower, but for the most part, we're just dealing with scattered cloud cover, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, a weak frontal boundary will hang out around the region. That's going to lead to scattered cloud cover with a few widely scattered showers. Not a washout in any way, shape, or form, but certainly something to keep an eye on because I know everyone is interested in the Labor Day weekend. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid 80s over the interior, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Labor Day, look for scattered broken cloud cover with a few widely scattered showers. Again, not a washout, but certainly a few pesky showers around the region. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.